Hello my friend, and welcome to this video. This is Mike Acquaviva, Success Catalyst for Young Digital Hustlers, and I want to talk about a really important concept with you that if you apply it to your life and your business and all the activities you have to take on in the day, for one, those activities won't feel so overwhelming, and you'll actually feel like wanting to do those things that you've been putting off, probably procrastinating on, or they don't feel like something you want to actually do. Well, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. So that's actually a quote by Wayne Dyer. I'm going to repeat that. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. When you change your perspective, your idea about certain things, those things will actually change. Your view on those things will change. And so if you just change even the words that you have about certain activities, then you'll actually want to do those things more. It'll actually give the momentum and the drive to want to actually do those activities because they feel exciting and not some chore or some burdensome task that you have to take on. So whether it's your life or your business, I want you to utilize something that's called trigger words. And I got the word trigger words from Michael Burnoff, who is a peak performance teacher. And trigger words, basically, like I said, you can use this for any task in life. And so what you basically do is, again, just change the word associated with an activity to make it more exciting. And you want to have some energy with these words. So, for instance, instead of saying, I'm going to work out, I'm going to exercise, why don't you say, I'm going to awaken the warrior, I'm going to energize the fighter. You know, if you scream that, if you just say, man, it's time to awaken the warrior, and you just go for it, the problem is you don't want to think about what you're about to do. You just go for it, okay? So I'm going to awaken the warrior, and you just go for it. When you change the meaning of working out in that case, it becomes so much more exciting. Just like when you're going to eat breakfast, you could say, I'm going to fuel the beast. I'm going to fuel the warrior. You know, if you change it to sound like something really neat, then you'll want to do that activity more, right? It's a lot more exciting. It's so much more exciting. Instead of saying, I'm going to message people on Facebook, you could say, I'm going to engage with some really exciting people on Facebook, some really amazing young entrepreneurs I can't wait to connect with. You could have like a whole sentence here. You can just basically do is, instead of thinking about or verbalizing the thing you don't want to do, like, man, I really don't want to reach out to people on Facebook. You say, I can't wait to reach out to some really young, amazing entrepreneurs on Facebook and see if they'd be a great fit for my business, or get to know these people, or just anything along those lines. You know, it's just so much more exciting, right? I'm trying to think of other ways you could use this concept, but just think of something in your life, in your business, or if you change the words associated with that activity, it will actually make you want to do it more. It will give you more momentum and make you want to take more action and make you want to actually jump forth and do that activity. So just think about ways you could utilize trigger words in your day-to-day life to make things just way more exciting and enjoyable. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. If it is, share it with someone. You know, if I think of a lot more different ways to use trigger words, I will put that into a new video and reshoot this. Right now, that's what I got. So exercising, eating, meditation, you could say, I'm going to focus the mind. I'm going to focus my ninja mind. You know, you can just mix it up. It's pretty cool. And you know, I'm going to, yeah, I mean, that's just something you can do. So hope this was enjoyable.